Welcome to the NextGenX process.
This channel explores how machines build motion.
From raw frames to moving vehicles. Automation works with absolute precision.
From cars to heavy-duty trucks.
Built by machines, powered by engineering.
Every surface perfected by automation.
Controlled environments ensure perfection.
This is where motion begins. Every vehicle takes shape. Automation handles even the finest details. Every vehicle is fully tested.
Machines test machines.
Ready to move. Stored with precision.
Prepared for delivery.
From factory to the world. This is the power of automation. Welcome to our automation channel. Let's go inside the process.